The first step in becoming the best car detailer you could be is to understand what is detailing. What is detailing to you? What is detailing to your customers? Unfortunately, unlike many other industries that are regulated and that are very clear and black and white, car detailing is unregulated. Anybody can call themselves a car detailer, and the idea and the perception of what a car detailer is very broad. So before you move on with this course and try to learn everything you can learn, you first need to understand, what are you going to be? What is a car detailer? What is a car detailer to you? This was something that I personally struggled with initially when I started becoming a car detailer. I used to work as a national sales manager and I was miserable, and I decided to do something with cars. I love cars. And the first thing that happened is many people around me, including family members, were quite upset. They said, oh, you're going to throw away a university degree and a management position to go and wash and vacuum and clean cars. And to them, car detailing was basically a person who cleans cars for a living. And unfortunately, that is not the case. It can be for you if that is what you want to be and if that is what you think car detailing is, just a cleaner. But car detailing is an art. It is a skill, it's a trait, it's a talent, it is a personality. It is not simply vacuuming and washing. So when somebody asks you, what are you, or what is a car detailer, you need to really understand that, because that mentality that you're going to have now of what you want to become and what you want to end up being is what's going to drive what you're going to learn from this training course. So to me, a car detailer, or to me when I was a car detailer, I was a restoration specialist. I was somebody who would restore and protect and maintain, not a cleaner. Yes, we will clean as part of detailing, but we will not be detailing just to clean, if that makes sense. A car detailer is a highly trained, highly skilled individual that values their skills and effort, that values their training, and that is a person that will work on a vehicle to add value to that vehicle. And that value is not just monetary. Yes, you can get a car that is worth $150,000 and detail it to near perfection, and then that car can be sold for $200,000, which is a very, very, very common kind of job you get as a professional car detailer. But you're also going to add emotional value. Somebody might have purchased their pride and joy, and you're going to take that car, even if it was new, and make it look so good that that person is going to love you because you've just made their dream car even better. And they're going to be waving your flag and singing your song. That is what a car detailer is. Somebody who's highly trained, highly skilled, that uses scientific methods, and using those methods, you're going to protect, restore, or maintain that vehicle to the best possible outcome it can have. So with that mentality, let's proceed with this training course, because if you only think that you're going to be a cleaner, you're not going to get the value out of this academy. But if you sit down and put your thinking cap on and treat this as a proper profession and put the effort into learning the science and the skills behind it, and give yourself that very high expectation, set a very high standard for yourself where you are going to be the biggest critique of your own work, you're going to be the best detailer around. So let's dive straight into the next module.